here's the third member. I haven't done any work to it. It looks pretty good in my eyes. It rotates pretty good. I don't see any issues with the bearings or grinding. I think my old man had this rebuilt. Spider gears look good. Bearings look good. Ring and pinion look good. So I've cleaned up the surface here. I'm going to kind of clean it up a little bit more. See, there's a little bit of gasket left here that I'm cleaning off. I'm just going to get this all done. I'm going to wipe it down with a rag and maybe just some mineral spirits. And then I'm going to put a thin film actually, of RTV on this side, and then put my gasket on, my Felpro gasket, and then I'll mate the third member to it and bolt it down. I think from what I found online, it's 45 torque down to 45. Gear oil gasket maker. The reason why I didn't put the liquid gasket on the other side is because they typically leak from the back side, not here.